In the battle against heat, we've got some strategies to keep you cool and comfortable. First off, hydration is key. Guzzle down water throughout the day to ward off dehydration, and try to limit those caffeinated or alcoholic beverages. When it comes to your wardrobe, opt for lightweight, breathable fabrics like cotton or linen. These materials allow air to circulate and sweat to evaporate, helping your body cool down. Fans, air conditioning, or even a cool shower can provide some sweet relief from the heat. And if you're stuck without AC, consider visiting air-conditioned public spaces like shopping malls or libraries. Avoid the sun's peak hours, typically between 10 a.m. and 4 p.m. If you need to be outdoors, seek shade and take frequent breaks. Cooling accessories like towels, neck wraps, or handheld fans can be a game changer when you're out and about. And when it comes to food, opt for light, refreshing meals instead of heavy hot dishes that can crank up your body temperature. Keep strenuous physical activity to a minimum during hot weather. If you need to exercise, do it during the cooler hours of early morning or evening. Don't forget to shield yourself from the sun's harmful rays with sunscreen, a wide-brimmed hat, and sunglasses. And always keep an eye out for signs of heat-related illnesses like dizziness, nausea, or a rapid heartbeat. By following these tips, you'll be well equipped to combat the heat and stay comfortable, no matter how high the mercury rises.